Perfect. Perfect.
Alright guys, we are going to be taking out the exhaust on the 09 F8. A lot of the plastic is already off. We got a bunch of new plastic to install, but the most important part would be this heat exchanger right here, the radiator. This guy back here. But we have to strip it down really far to get that little sucker out of there. So first things first, we're gonna start removing the exhaust. Let's see, we got the exhaust off, muffler out, front nose cone off, side plastics off. We got the back end picked up so we can drop the track assembly out. Pretty sure we're gonna have to undo the brake assembly on this side. And I think I'm gonna have to also take off the secondary clutch and unbolt the diamond drive, where I can drop the whole belt system out of here. All right, guys, I pulled the gear drive out of here. Nice timing. God, boom. Got the brake on the other side, so I'm gonna tighten this jack up right here, the ratchet strap on the skid back here on the shock. Bring it in, so it takes some tension out, for I can pull that whole friggin' rear skid out of there. Get that out of there. Yeah. But we have recently just got the track back into place. We got the new heat exchanger on. It was 4 bolts to drop the rack assembly. 1, 2, and they're on each side. Right there, them guys. Oh, this thing was a pain in the keister to get out, but not only to get out, but to get put back in. So it's harder to put it back in than it was to take it apart. And it was pretty difficult to take it apart. So just to let you guys know, if you're gonna take on a project like this, you're gonna be putting it in. Remember when I got this in, it was all covered in stickers and all broken up. So it's actually not looking too bad right now. No, it's not. And I still do need to get this one little panel right here. And I do need to fit in a little piece right here on the nose. But other than that, she's looking pretty good, and we're gonna take it on a test drive. well, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody out there who supports this channel, or anybody out there trying to have a good time. Thank you for watching. I'm Flippin' Mike, and I'll catch you on the next video.
Perfect.